I'm Lyle, I'm from Volt Bikes, and this is the Volt Metro LS. This is a folding electric bike, as you can see from the centre of the frame here. The Volt Metro LS is very similar to another model we do called the Volt Metro. The main differences are this has a low step-through bar, and also it's an inch lower, so it's a 15-inch frame, and it has 20-inch wheels. As with most of our range, we fully kit our e-bikes out with branded components. Front and rear SKS mudguards, SR Suntour suspension. We also put suspension in the seat post, which adds extra comfort if hitting any bumps or anything like that. And the saddle itself's very comfortable too. ABUS wheel lock and pannier rack and front and rear lights that run off the battery. A lot of people are under the impression that because of the smaller wheels, it makes the bike less stable. That's not the case with the Metro or the Metro LS. It doesn't take very long for you to get used to the style, but once you do, it's honestly a very, very easy bike to manoeuvre and handle. Some of the other features are 8-speed Shimano Acera gears, Shimano M375 disc brakes, and also a Shimano cassette and chain. We also have puncture-resistant tyres and very thick inner tubes to really help protect from any punctures or glass or anything in the tyres, which makes a big difference. And you can also see the reflective rim around the tyre. This is used as an additional safety feature of the bike. In the middle of the bike is the battery, and in the rear wheel is the motor. This particular battery can get you up to 40 miles, but that depends on conditions such as hills, wind, and rider effort, etc. And now I'm going to go through how the electrics work. So, to turn on the power, you press the button on top of the battery. 2 beeps indicate it's on, 1 beep means you're turning it off. Next, you press the M button on the back of the display. The display powers on, and now your bike is ready to use. So, there's about 5 different levels of power in total, starting at 1, going all the way up to 4, an A mode and also a 0 mode. I'll explain a little bit about how they work. Level 1 to 4 is essentially different speed increments. So 1 is maybe 3 or 4 miles per hour, 2 goes up to say 6 or 7, and so on all the way up to 15.5. There's also an A mode, which is essentially based on cadence. So the faster you pedal, the more power you're going to get, the more effort you put in. There's also a 0 mode, so you can ride the Metro LS just like a normal bike. There's no drag from the motor. The weight is obviously a little bit heavier. I think it's about 21 kilos in total, but really it feels quite a lot like a normal bike when you're riding it. The display also tells you how much power you've got left, so it gives you a battery gauge, overall distance, trip, and it also tells you how fast you're going. To activate the lights on the bike, you hold the up button down. This brings on the back light for the display and turns on the front and rear lights. As I mentioned earlier, the motor is in the rear wheel, so it's a rear hub drive system. It's powered by SpinTech, and it's one of the most reliable and powerful systems available. There's not too many accessories that you will need to buy, other than maybe like a helmet and an additional lock that we supply for this. But we also have a carry bag or storage bag. I'd personally say the Volt Metro LS is a really good all-rounder. It's perfect for folding up and putting in the back of your car if you want to go further afield. We sell a lot to motorhome and caravan users. It's a commuter bike. It's got some really great features, and it's one of our best sellers. It might be down to the price because it's the cheapest model that we do in the range at $1,299. But yeah, it's really a great little bike. The Volt Metro LS comes with a 2-year warranty and is available at over 100 Volt approved dealers across the UK. For more information, visit voltbikes.co.uk and keep an eye out for some more videos which are going to be coming along soon.